Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is our video presentation for Fundamental of Research STA220. And this is our group members. For the title, we discuss to choose factor affecting financial management behavior among university students.
Introduction. Financial management behavior is how people make decisions about budgeting, saving, and spending. For university students, this is crucial as they experience financial independence for the first time, shaping their future habits. Personal factors like financial literacy, social influences like peers, and resources like part-time job all affect how students manage money. Those with more knowledge tend to make better decisions, while others may struggle. To help UiTM merchant students improve their financial habits, we are conducting research through a Google form to identify key factors influencing their financial behavior and find ways to support them.
Problem statement. A recent survey by Financial Industry Collective Australia revealed that 75% of Malaysian students have low to moderate financial knowledge, leaving them unprepared for practical money management. University students often face challenges like budgeting for rent, groceries, and social activities, leading to overspending, debt, and stress. Many lack basic financial skills due to limited discussion about money at home, peer pressure, and rising cost of living and education. Without proper guidance or financial education in university, students struggle alone, developing habits that can impact their future. Addressing this issue, tolerate program and support can reduce stress, build independence, and help students manage finance confidently.
Next is objective. The first one, to identify gender affect the familiarity with financial basic concept. Second, to analyze the relationship between attending a workshop and the level of stress about one's financial situations. And for the last, to examine how the student faculty affect the importance of saving. Next is hypothesis. From objective, we create hypothesis. For the objective one, hash null, there is no relationship between student gender and familiarity with basic financial concept at UiTM Chang. For dash 1, there is a relationship between student gender and familiarity with basic financial concept at UiTM Chang. For the second objective, hash null, there is no relationship between attending a workshop and the level of stress about one financial situation among UiTM Macam student. For H1, there is a relationship between attending a workshop and the level of stress about one financial situation among UiTM Macam student. And for the last objective, H0, there is no relationship between student faculty and the importance of saving among UiTM Macam student. And for the last, H1, there is a relationship between student faculty and the importance of saving among UiTM Macang students. Next is analysis of descriptive statistics.
For data analysis 4.1.1 gender, Table 1 shows gender data. The total respondent is 50. There are 32% of female respondents and 68% of male respondents.
For the next data analysis, 4.1.2 Familiarity with basic financial concept. Table 2 shows that the range of respondent familiarity with basic financial concept. Based on the table, it shows that most of our respondents chose rates 5 and 8 with a percentage of 22% respectively. In addition, rate 4, 6, 7, 9, and 10 respectively with a percentage of 4%, 6%, 18%, 10%, and 16%. Next, the rates that were not chosen by our respondent were rate 2 and 3. Furthermore, the least rate chosen by our respondent are 1 with a percentage of 2%.
For data analysis 4.1.3, which is attending workshop, Table 3 shows attending a workshop data based on the sample of 50 individuals. The result revealed that a significant majority, which is 68% of respondents, who is 34 individuals, have not attending any course or workshop on personal finance, while only 32%, which is 60 individuals, have attending a workshop. Next is data analysis 4.1.4, the level of stress about one financial situation. Table 4 shows that the level of stress about one financial situation based on respondent from 50 participants. A majority, 56%, which is 28 individuals, reported that they feel stressed sometimes, while 30%, which is 15 individuals, indicate that they feel stressed often, and only 40%, which is 7 individuals, state that they rarely or never feel stressed about their financial situation. This data highlight that financial stress is a common experience for most respondents, with over half experiencing it at least sometimes and nearly a third feeling it often. Next is data analysis 4.1.5, which is faculty. Table 5 shows that the highest frequency of faculty respondent is the Faculty of Computer and Mathematical Science, which has 32 respondents with a percentage of 64%. In addition, the lowest percentage of respondents is Faculty of Education with the percentage 2%, which is only one respondent. Other than that, there are the Faculty of Information Management and Faculty Academy of Contemporary Islamic Studies, both of them with the percentage 6%, which is 3 respondents. Based on the data, there are 7 from Faculty of Business and Management with a percentage of 14% and 4 respondents from Faculty of Accountants with 8%. Next is data analysis 4.1.6, the importance of saving. Based on table 6, it shows the importance of saving money for students. We gathered 50 respondents for our questionnaire. 31 or 62% of the respondents gave a rating of 10, and this is the highest percentage of the respondents, while the
Next
lowest
is
percentage
analysis
is
of
1
inferential
or
statistic.
2% on the rating of 1. In addition, the rating for 7 to 9 has the same number of respondents of 12% or 6 respondents. In conclusion, the data shows the importance of saving money to the respondent.
Next is analysis of inferential statistic. 4.2.1 Independent t-test to find the difference between mean of familiarity with basic financial concept of male and female. From the table, we can get the hypothesis is mean of familiarity with basic financial concept of male and mean of familiarity with basic financial concept of female. The significant level is 0.05. The test statistic is t equals to 1.130. Decision rule: reject hash null if f bigger than f, and we will get f is equals to 2.57. Since f 1.6176 is smaller than f 2.57, we fail to reject hash null. And the conclusion we will get is we do not have enough evidence to conclude that there is a significant difference between faculty and the importance of saving. Okay, for 4.2.2 chi-square test on attending a workshop and the level of stress about one financial situation. From the table, we will get the hypothesis is H null is there is no relationship between attending a workshop and the level of stress about one's financial situation among you attend Macang student. And H1 is there is a relationship between attending a workshop and the level of stress about one financial situation among you attend Macang student. The significance levels are 0.05. The test statistic is p-value equals to 0.082, and the decision rules is reject hash null if p-value is smaller than the significance level. Since p-value is 0.082 is bigger than the significant level, that is 0.05 if they fail to reject H now. There is no relationship between attending a workshop and the level of stress about one financial situation among UiTM Macang student.
Next is 4.2.3, which is ANOVA test on faculty and the importance of saving. Here, we conduct an ANOVA test to determine whether there is a significant difference between faculty groups in terms of their perspective on the importance of saving. Now, let's start with the hypothesis. The null hypothesis states that all group means are equal, which is mu1 equals to mu2 equals to mu3. The alternative hypothesis suggests that there is at least one pair of group where the mean differ. So at the significance level of alpha equals to 0.05, the test statistic is calculated as F equal to MSTR over MSE equals to 2.910 over 1.799, which is equal to 1.6176. Next is the decision rule. We compare the calculated F value with the critical F value from the F distribution table at alpha equals to 0.05 with degree of freedom 4 and 45. The critical F value equals to 2.57 since the calculated F value of 1.6176 is less than the critical F value of 2.57, we fail to reject the null hypothesis. So, in conclusion, we do not have enough evidence to conclude that there is a significant difference between faculty and the importance of saving.
Conclusion: this research look at the factors that affect how university students manage their money, focusing on UiTM Macang students. Managing money is important for students as they prepare for the future, but many face challenges like lack of financial knowledge, peer pressure, and stress. The study surveyed 50 students to understand their financial knowledge, the impact of financial workshop, and views on saving money. The main findings were that there was no difference in financial knowledge between male and female students. Financial workshops didn't reduce stress, and most students agreed that saving money is important. This shows that students need better financial guidance and that financial education programs might need to be more tailored to their needs. Although the study had some limitations, it provides useful insights to help improve financial education and better prepare students for the future. I think that's all from us. Thank you.